Number 7. So, a study measures student stress levels before and after a midterm exam. The mean stress scores for 15 students increased from 40 to 70 with standard deviation of differences equal to 6 at alpha is equal to 0.05. Is the increase significant? So before, the mean is 40. After, the mean is 47. The mean difference is 7. Standard deviation of difference, S difference is equals to 6. Sample size N is equal to 15. The significant level is 0.05. Required. Is the increase in stress significant? H1 is the mu D is greater than 0. Solution for the formula for D. T is equals to D bar over SD over square root of N. So T is equals to 7 over 6 over square root of 15. T is 4.52. DF N minus 1 is equal to 14. So the critical TO is approximately equal to 1.761. So the final answer, since T, which is 4.52, is greater than 1.761, reject HO. The increase in stress is significant. A factory claims that the average weight of its cereal boxes is 500 grams. A random sample of 50 boxes has a mean of 498 grams. Sigma is equal to 4 grams. Test the claim at alpha is equal to 0.05. So the claimed mean, the mean of the population is equal to 500 grams. The sample mean X bar is 498 grams. Population standard deviation sigma is equal to 4 grams. The sample size N is equal to 50. And then alpha is 0.05. Required. Is the claim correct? H1 colon the mu is not equal to 500. Our solution: to obtain Z, use the formula X bar minus mu O over sigma over square root of N. So we have Z is equals to 498 minus 500 over 4 and then square root of 50 is equal to negative 2 over 0.566. So equal to negative 3.54. Our critical values plus and minus 1.96 because we use alpha equal to 0.05. So since the absolute value of Z is equal to 3.54 is greater than 1.96, reject HO. So the final answer, the average is significantly different from 500 grams. Number 9. Researchers want to know if a new teaching method improves score. Group A, n is equal to 25. Taught traditionally has a mean of 75, s equal to 8. Group B, n is equal to 25. Taught with the new method has a mean equal to 80. S is equal to 7. Test at alpha is equal to 0.01 if there is a significant difference. So we're given Group A, N1 is equal to 25. X1 bar is equal to 75. S1 is equal to 8. Group B, N2 is 25. X2 bar is 80. S2 is equal to 7. Our alpha is 0.01. So, required, is there a significant difference? So, H1, the mean 1 is not equal to mean 2. So, our solution, T is equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar over the square root of s1 squared over n1 plus s2 squared over n1. Substitute the given values. Our t value is negative 2.36. So our df is 48. So the critical value of t at 0.01 and having a df of 48 is approximately plus and minus 2.682. Since the absolute value of t is 2.36 is less than 2.682. Fail to reject HO. No significant difference at alpha equal to 0.01. The average waiting time at a hospital is 45 minutes. A sample of 20 patients shows a mean waiting time of 42 minutes. S is equal to 10. Test at alpha is equal to 0.10 if the average waiting time has decreased. So we're given population mean mu O is equal to 45 minutes. Sample mean X bar is equal to 42 minutes. And then the sample SDS is equal to 10. And the sample size N is equal to 20. The level of significance alpha is equal to 0.10. So we are required test if mean waiting time decrease. H1 colon mu is less than 45. So our solution, The formula that we will be using is T is equal to x bar minus mu O over S over square root of 9. Substituting the data, the T value is negative 1.34. So our DF is 19. 20 minus 1, that's 19. And our critical value T using our level of significance 0.10 is approximately equal to negative 1.3282. So since our computed T, which is negative 1.34, is less than negative 1.328, we need to reject HO. That means the average waiting time has significantly decreased. Number 11. A researcher collects data on hours of sleep and productivity scores for 20 employees. The correlation coefficient is R, equal to 0.65. Test at alpha is equal to 0.05. If there is significant positive relationship. So we're given R 0.65 and 20 and then alpha 0.05. We are required, is there a significant positive relationship? So H1 colon P is greater than 0. So the solution, use the formula T is equals to R times the square root of n minus 2 over a square root of 1 minus R squared. Our R is 0.65. Our N is the value of N is 20. And then our value of R is 0.4225. So our T is 3.63. Our DF is N minus 2 is equal to 18. So our critical T value at a level of significance of 0.05 is approximately 1.734. So since the computed T 3.63 is greater than 1.734, we need to reject HO. So that means there is a significant positive relationship that exists. So we'll have the next part of this lesson.